All right, everyone. As part of his internship, Kevin has been tasked with finding new technologies. He's put together an exciting demo to show us, so let's give him our attention.
New technology? Like FaceTube or Insta whatever? I can't wait.
Hi everyone, this is 3DEXPERIENCE SOLIDWORKS. It's a SolidWorks we all know and love, but connected to the cloud, which will make it easier for us to manage and collaborate on our designs. So hold tight. You're about to see the newest, most connected CAD system on the planet. Even starting a sketch. It's really simple to start.
Hey, Kevin. Nothing's happening on the screen.
I think my mouse is out of batteries. Does anyone have an extra mouse I could borrow?
Nope. I use a trackball. Hey, I thought we gave the intern that fancy new laptop with the touchscreen.
Great start, kid.
Okay. No problem. Gotta be prepared, right? As I was saying, this is new, but it's still SolidWorks. Let me show you some sketching. After creating a rectangle, I can add a dimension, and I don't even have to use the dimension tool. And check it out, fully define every time. Am I right, guys? And now I'll extrude it using the right-click menu. I can shortcut to selecting a midplane.
You know you could just hit M for midplane, right? Sheesh.
Good tip, thanks. Now, I'll use the hole wizard to make some holes. Hey, I just learned this. If you box select these points, the in-context toolbar gives the option to horizontally align them. Okay, the part's done, so I'll add some properties and then save. But I'm not just saving a file, I'm syncing to the cloud that any of us can access from anywhere.
We do that already with our server, Kevin.
And why would any of us ever need to access parts from anywhere but this office, Kevin?
Okay, this is really cool, guys. When I want to make a drawing...
Yeah, really cool, Kevin.
All right, well, moving on. Let's say there's an old part you guys made that I upload to our collaborative space, and it's got features that I'd want to use on this part. I don't know the name of the part, but the description has something to do with lower bracket. By searching the platform, I can easily find it. Now that's cool, but watch this. If I split my windows, all I gotta do is select the features I want and drag them onto the new part. Booyah, baby! Let me show you guys something else real quick. There's this app called Xshape that's included in our premium license. And now we can make all those swoopy parts in a web browser. Check out how quick I can sculpt this motorcycle gas tank and bring it into SolidWorks and use Surface Flatten. I want to make sure these knee pads won't stretch when they're applied.
Hey, do we make motorcycles now?
All right, I'll come back to those web apps later. Where was I? Whoops, dang it, wrong window. Okay, back to the bracket. So, we can take this and just drag it into the assembly. And if we click this edge and hold the Alt key, it turns on SmartMates and snaps right into place. So we have that shared component library that everyone's supposed to be using, right? We can store that on the platform too. I'll search for a shoulder M6 screw that's 25 millimeters long. I'll use SmartMates again to put the screw into place. So now the parts are designed and assembled, let's make a quick exploded view. And a quick drawing out of this thing is super easy. We can even add a bill of materials and then save it and upload to the cloud.
But can it make drawings?
Yeah, I literally just said that. Remember, it's SolidWorks. It does drawings and a whole lot more. Oh, and installations and upgrades are automatic, so it's always on the latest version.
What about my customizations? I like my toolbars. Does it even have templates?
Yeah, it's SolidWorks.
But all the data is stored in the cloud. Is that right?
Yes, it's SolidWorks connected to the cloud.
Well, the software looks good, but Kevin, you can't design your way out of a box.
I mean, it's just a demo.
And we don't even make any products that look like that.
Buzz, relax.
Your models, they're such a disease.
I know, it's just a demo. I didn't...
Enough, guys. Let's be professional. Go ahead, Kevin.
Okay. Best of all, I talked to a reseller and it turns out we already have 3DEXPERIENCE platform licenses we could start using right away.
Nice presentation, Kevin. Will this do revision control?
You better hope so, because you'll have to revise everything he designs.
You guys are so frustrating. I wish you would just disappear. I'm going to the shop.
Good. The adults need to get back to work.
Guys, ease up on Kevin. He's doing his best. He does have some good ideas. I mean, connecting SOLIDWORKS to the cloud? We need to look at that.
Hey, in my day, the senior engineers used to smack me with my own slide rule.
If I messed up on drawing, my boss would make me eat the paper.
Okay, well, it's different now. Just try to give him a break. This is Brenda. I see. Okay, I'll inform my teams. Guys, that was corporate. There's a public health emergency, and they're ordering all employees to work from home effective immediately. We can get familiar with the 3DEXPERIENCE platform that Kevin just showed us. It'll be a good way for us to share data and stay connected.
But I just have one question. Is that really your ringtone?
Yes, Frank. We don't all listen to Katy Perry. Now, I don't know how long this order will last, so get your things, pack up your laptops, let's all go home. I'll see you online.
Have a good evening. Don't worry, it'll all be here when you get back. I promise.
Stupid team. They're not even gonna get to see this. I'll show you good design skills, Frank. Let me print this.
We don't do drawings in crayon here.
You call that a fillet?
Why don't you just go 3D print yourself a pacifier?
You're what the French call, you know what they call you, call you, call you, call you, call you.
Frank? Buzz? Brenda? Did I make my team disappear? I made my team disappear! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Uh-huh! Yeah! Say CEO! Boom! That's how you do it. Buzz, your drawings. Woof. Salad shooter. I'm gonna save this for later.
This is what I'm talking about, Marv. All the companies have sent their workers home.
That's nice of them. Must be a long weekend.
Dummy, there's nobody here. We'll steal them blind.
You know, I bet this place is loaded with high-tech stuff.
I bet they have plans, schematics, drawings, just waiting for us to steal.
What the?
Harry, we'll be rich.
Wait a minute, the building's not empty yet.
That's okay. Let's go back to the van. We'll hack our way in, and we'll steal their CAD designs. I hear they use SolidWorks.
Solid what?
Cat bandits. Well, here's a little surprise for you. I'm putting everything on the cloud myself. With the Save to 3D Experience, I'm gonna select all the folders with our SolidWorks files. I'll map each design project to dedicated collaborative spaces, and because I don't want to go through all Buzz's stuff, I'll automatically grab file references from outside these folders. There's even an algorithm to do geometry comparisons so I don't upload duplicates. This makes it super easy to get all our projects loaded securely to the platform and away from those nasty cat bandits.
Time to mouse up.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's get in.
We're in.
I don't see any files in here.
Look, there's something in this folder. Hang on.
Hey dummies, you're too late. All the data's already stored in the cloud. Hey dummies, you're too late. All the data's already stored in the cloud. Hey dummies, you're too late.
I'll show you who's the dummy.
Whoa, slow down. You give us away.
The intern. He beat us to it. The drives are empty. The files are all in the cloud. The cloud? Not that cloud.
Never mind. Listen, I don't care about this cloud. We're coming back tomorrow night. The kid will go home. The building will be empty. We'll take everything.
That's why you're the brains.